and cut it with a knife. There's a train coming with a whistle so smoky, they call it Jetson. The train of darkness, your last ticket to life. It's fueled by whiskey and powered by pain, riding the tracks to the edge of the night with a conductor dressed in shadows. He's got a name and he's the only one who knows your plight. All aboard for the midnight ride, on the tracks of the restless and the brave. Jetson's choo-choo echoes through the night with a ghostly glow and a heart of jaded light. The train of darkness, a final reprieve, where the lost souls find their peace. On this journey to the land of the free, where the only rule is to believe. The station's a chapel, the seats are made of bone, the floorboards whisper secrets of the forgotten ones. You lay your burdens down, leave your past behind. On Jetson's train you'll leave your troubles in the dust of time. The wheels are turning to the rhythm of a mournful tune, a symphony of redemption played by the moon. The wind outside is howling like a pack of lost hounds, but inside there's a warmth that soothes the soul's wounds. All aboard for the midnight ride, on the tracks of the restless and the brave. Jetson's choo-choo echoes through the night with a ghostly glow and a heart of jaded light. The train of darkness is final reprieve, where the lost souls find their peace. On this journey to the land of the free, where the only rule is to believe. In the sleeping cars, the candles flicker, reflecting the hope in every weary eye. The ghosts of the rail, they sing and they shiver as the train of darkness cuts through the midnight sky. You can feel the still, the land of the free, where the only rule is to believe. The station's a chapel, the seats are made of bone, the floorboards whisper secrets of the forgotten ones. You lay your burdens down, leave your past behind. On Jetson's train you'll leave your troubles in the dust of time. The wheels are turning to the rhythm of a mournful tune, a symphony of redemption played by the moon. The wind outside is howling like the pack of lost hounds, but inside there's a warmth that soothes the souls with souls' wounds. All aboard for the midnight ride, on the tracks of the restless and the brave. Jetson's choo-choo echoes through the night with a ghostly glow and a heart of jaded light. The train of darkness, your final reprieve, where the lost souls find their peace. On this journey to the land of the free, where the only rule is to believe. In the sleeping cars, the candles flicker, reflecting the hope in every weary eye. The ghosts of the rail, they sing and they shiver as the train of darkness cuts through the midnight sky. You can feel the Jetson rise from the embers. It's time for a grand finale. This ain't just my story, it's the tale of the rebel. We've got to fight till we see the sun. The tracks of our past, they're the runway.